Welcome, fellow monkey, and happy birthday! This year, we're not celebrating just my birthday, but 5 years of Gorilla Tag. We hope you've been enjoying the celebrations. But it hasn't been all fun and games. Not only did a meteor crash into the city and destroy our beloved rocket, but we've also run into a new enemy, the Moon Monster, which, thanks to brave monkey like you, is currently contained deep in the tunnels under the Ghost Reactor. We asked you if we should dig deeper and discover what the monster is looking for, or rebuild the rocket and take the fight to space. I could tell you who the winner is, but to be honest, I'd rather show you.
As you can see, the results are in and it's official. You voted to dig deeper. Our friends at Gorilla Corp have been hard at work building a newer, bigger, more powerful drill that'll help us get deeper and find out what that monster has been looking for. We've already made a lot of progress and we're working hard at finishing the drill, and soon we'll be... What was that? Hey, you! What are you doing? You aren't supposed to be in here! Ugh. Ugh. Oh, my head. Ah! Ah! Oh, I gotta... What is this? Some kind of... Oh no. Hey, do any of you happen to know how to disarm a bomb? No? Oh man, is everyone all right? Anyone hurt? It's a little precarious, but I think you should be all right, as long as nobody moves. I think someone moved.
Hey, yeah, so everything's fine. Everything's under control. That was totally planned. It's fine. Everything's fine. It was just a prank. It was just a prank. Please, go back to the city and enjoy the rest of the celebrations. Nothing bad happened here. Everything's all right. Don't worry about that sparking. That's also on purpose. Just don't touch it. Okay, happy birthday. Goodbye.